The please wait message on your T-Mobile hotspot indicates that the device is stuck during startup, firmware installation, or network authentication. This is often caused by outdated firmware, corrupted settings, or temporary glitches. A recent T-Mobile firmware update, version 1.2.3 in Q2 2025, has reduced these issues, but it can still occur, especially in areas with weaker signals or on older 4G models. The message is a safeguard to prevent premature use, but requires troubleshooting when persistent. This section will help understand the underlying reasons for this error. To resolve the please wait issue, start by updating the firmware using the T-Mobile app or web portal. Check for available updates and install them. If needed, force an update by resetting network settings. Next, try rebooting the hotspot. Power cycle it by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plugging back in. This clears temporary bugs. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset through the device buttons or app. Be aware this will erase your settings. Experts say this resolves 80% of cases. If these steps fail, contact T-Mobile support or consider upgrading to a newer model, especially older 4G devices.